Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need Hyperos updated and a recent backup before we begin. This prevents data loss. First, enable developer options and allow installation from unknown sources so the mod can run. Next, download the Dynamic Island Core APK plus the Hyperos compatibility patch. Place both on your device. Once done, install the compatibility patch first because it hooks into System UI, then install the core app. Make sure permissions prompts are accepted when they appear. This step avoids later failures. Now open the Dynamic Island app and grant overlay, accessibility, and notification access. These are essential for it to display and respond to events. Once permissions are granted, select the Hyperos profile inside the app so widgets and cutout behavior match your device. Then fine-tune size, vertical position, and animation timing to align with the status bar. Small tweaks make it feel native. Make sure to test with notifications and media playback, because real events reveal misalignment faster than static previews. Finish by restarting System UI or performing a full reboot so the patched components load cleanly. This step completes integration. Test the Dynamic Island with incoming calls, timers, media controls, and fast notifications to verify responsiveness and animations. If something fails, clear the app cache and storage, reapply overlay and notification permissions, then reinstall the compatibility patch before the core app. One key troubleshooting tip: if icons don't update, revoke accessibility, reboot, then regrant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.